These sports are surely going to...
Yeah, sorry, no, I'm not gonna be on a team with that one.
Mwah.
Zooble, why does all you do is complaining? I never know what you want!
We had a whole suggestion box for that.
Yeah, Zoom and I constantly say we like more chill and relaxing adventures.
Did you really not like my softball one?
I'm not big into sports, sorry.
The suggestion box just causes interpersonal drama. And we don't like it.
All right, you really want to know what I want?
Oh, no.
I want the ability to have sex.
No way. Are we finally having this conversation?